What's up, guys? We got a 2015 Buick Encore. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the cabin filter. So in here we have a glove box right here, and we got our cabin filter right here. The part number on this guy, PTC is the brand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there, we're gonna open this up and change the cabin filter. So let's open the glove box. Probably got a lot of stuff in it, that's fine. Let's remove all the stuff from here. Let's put this baby down, all the stuff down. Okay, all right, there goes everything. And we're gonna put this license to the side. So on this side you have this little plunger here. So usually these would break over time, but sometimes they just lose. So what you want to do is you want to pull this guy outward, and it's going to come out just like that. If you can squeeze the bottom tab of it, just lift it up and pull it out, it will come out really easy. After that, you want to squeeze one side in and then squeeze the other side in, and this glove box will just simply go down. And after that, you got cabin filter housing right here, filter access door. So we got tab on one side and a tab on the other side. So once you squeeze these two tabs, this door will open up, and you simply just lift it up. So we got airflow going up. We got airflow going up, and I'm not sure why it says airflow up when it would just suck in from right there, and it would suck inward. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this cabin filter out. So this filter is kind of wrong, I believe. So I'm gonna double check in my system which way is supposed to have airflow. So this is pretty dirty. So we got our cabin filter here. So you see airflow, now we're going to be facing it down. They had it wrong way. You want to take this cabin filter and you want to place it right back into the housing. So something like this you should be doing every 10 to 15,000 miles, and should be very simple to do, just like that. And you close the lid. Okay, this is with the car off and everything. And after that, you just want to grab your glove box, lift it up, and make sure that clicks right in, and make sure you close this tab up, and you're all done and set to go. I'm gonna have to get that in there, but bada bing bada boom.